Stand by for action.
Right, this is our room number 8092, and we've adorned our door with Mickey Cruise Line magnets, Paul and Raymond, fancy Chippendale figment, obviously, 3 Caballeros. So we're quite proud of that. Right, this is just coming into the room now. So you've got the toilet on the right. That button there will open the door behind me, which is an automatic door, which is good. That button there is the light for the toilet. Then here, I'm not going to open up every drawer, obviously, but you've got, I'm not sure if that's a drawer or fridge, because one size, I think it's that size, the fridge over there. You've got 3 drawers there. You've got drawers there, bits on the side there, and then nice picture of the cruise ship there. Open up that, we've got that wardrobe space there with at the top there your life vest, should we sink. Hopefully we won't. More storage space there, and then the same with this one. Oops, I can't open it because I'm in the way now. But yeah, hanging space there. Again, another life belt. We put our suitcase in there, or a small suitcase. And then here you've got light switch, obviously another little drawer. Quite a big bed. Let me reverse backwards. I'm doing this very good one-handed, didn't I? Over here are plug ports. So you've got that one there. It's 2 USBs. Not sure what those two are. They could be lights. Next to that, you then got some actual plug sockets, which I guess could be American ones. And then there's some that side as well. What you don't get with your room is that the popcorn bucket. Let me go back a bit, because I went so fast, didn't I? Look, there's my popcorn bucket there, and that's my sipper, and he lights up. But yes, anyway, that's that. And then this side is, we got a nice sofa bed. Again, that side has got another little drawer, telephone, light switch there. Nice little chair we can move. That's the telly going there with our cruise director speaking, and I think he's second in command. That there is a Murphy bed, and there's a little thing at the top. I think your stateroom host will bring that down. I'm not sure if that is, I don't think that one is one, but I think again up there there's a little hole, and stateroom host can bring that down, which again means that you could have another person in this room. I won't go out on deck because we are at sea. I'm doing this video on our first sea day. But that was open, obviously, and there's a slight bump down there to get out. And there's the sea. It's quite a nice day out, isn't it? Sun is finally out. And then, oh god, you probably can't see it right over there. There looks like it to be some sort of tanker ship going on. We are going to the right as we're sailing, so that means that directly in front of us is France. Don't know what part of France. In fact, it looks like there's another ship right there. You've got to be very good to see them, but there's another ship right there. Yeah, so that's the room anyway. A very quick room tour, but from a disabled point of view, perfect, absolutely perfect. In fact, I say perfect. No, that's. I thought that was something else then. It says, please keep your veranda door closed for maximum stateroom air conditioning. I thought for a minute it was going to slide that way. It doesn't look like it does because the door opens outwards. It'd be nice if the door actually slid open, but I don't think it does. I think it does. I know it definitely opens as if like a door. It doesn't seem to slide. But that's it. That's the room. Let me go around so you can see another little hand scan. Falling in about, it's a bit messy. It's not actually that messy. We've already hit the shops on day one. Oopsie. we brought some beanies with us anyway. We've got Paddington, we've got Stitch, not Stitch, we've got Oswald Noomi, Donald Duck obviously, and Captain Minnie. And there you go, that's the room. Right, this is the bathroom. So, this is like, I'm in my scooter, so it's level for me, that I can reach the sink quite easily. You've got towels, grab rails there. You've got a little thing that pulls out that goes across, which you're hanging washing up. One at the top which I couldn't reach. Actually looks like that was actually up, but you might be able to see that line, I don't know. And then you've got a mirror, hello mirror. Say toilet there, little it's got the PowerPoints down there as well. You can see them there, got the PowerPoints. And then this side is the shower. So again, that comes down there, that will come down there, shower will go up and down a little bit, so you can shower in comfort. Oh, there's a little courtesy soap bar, and you've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash there. So it's quite a nice size. And let me just turn around so you can see this is me on my scooter. I took me basket off the front, but I have done this with the basket on anyway. Might be a 16-point turn, but I'm doing this one-handed as well. And then from there, I'm now out, and that's out to the main bit. The lovely Pauline is going to press the button that says open door. And there we go. Bit of Disney magic. And we're off for the day. There's our lovely door, and off we go.
Enough of that trash.